Alright guys, this is a Honda 450R four-wheeler. This one's an '08. These are notorious for starter problems. You'll go to start it up and it'll turn over halfway and then it'll slip. Almost sounds like it's seizing up. The first place to check is this one-way bearing here. This one. And this little guy here is these sprocket, or these ones here that come from the starter, and then you have two that do nothing but just transfer the energy down to this one. And if you buy a kit on eBay, $129, you can get this one, new gear, bearing, and everything, and this little guy. You'll see another video where they say to weld this up. Don't do that. That's a safety, because if this seizes up, it will not let this free spin once the motor's running, and it'll sit here and spin all this and spin your starter. And something's going to give, and most likely one of these are going to grenade, and then you have a big mess and everything gets torn up. So this is designed, like here's the old one. Mine actually, my gear locked up, and this one started slipping. You can see it's two pieces with a C-clip. And this is designed to have so much tension where it'll break free versus just grenading all those little gears in there. So this bearing locked up on mine, and luckily this worked. But you'll see another video where they tell you to TIG weld it up just to get by. But my recommendation is you can buy a gasket, a new safety washer, this whole gear assembly right here, and this little guy, all factory for like $129. I don't sell them, but it's a pretty damn good deal. And the way you check this, it'll spin backwards, but it won't. It'll lock forward. So once the motor starts, this just sits here and free spins. But when they're damaged, this locks up, and all these gears just sit here and will spin 100 mile an hour backwards because this isn't letting them free spin until you shut the motor off, and then it's not going to start up again. And as far as the whole project, you can see all I did was take my spring off my brake pedal, left the Nerf bar on, everything. It's pretty simple. I had it all torn apart in less than 30 minutes. Just keep track of, I kind of put all my stuff back together as I take it apart so I know where the washers go. And I did have to drain the antifreeze. Took the water pump off first. You see there's the port for that. Drained it all out, and then I just cracked the case and let the oil drain out. These ones have separate oil for the rod and the transmission. But that's about it. I would recommend buying the whole kit with the one-way gear, the replacement gear here, and it comes with a gasket, and you should be ready to roll. Yeah, please ask any questions and I'll answer them down in the messages if you guys have questions about getting yours rebuilt. Thanks.